Well, I found my source of my P0171 code. Air leak back here using the mass airflow center cleaner. Saw on YouTube somebody did this. So listen to the idle change when I spray that spot back there. That's my leak. I gotta get in there and fix that tomorrow. I'm glad I found it. It's been a menace.